How's it going? This is Seth, your chartist, and let me date stamp it. Today is 24th of March, Friday, 6:53 p.m., and this analysis would be for this coming week, 27th till 31st. And I am a demand and supply trader. I don't trade indicators. I don't trade volume. I use them as an add-on. I'm a price action demand and supply trader. All right. Let's understand what happened today in the market. So price makes a low here and then it goes up and closes green. All right. And my expectation was that it can come here. So expectation is still on, right? Because I only because if you try to understand the depth of any of these candles, you would understand that imbalance actually came from this wick, and you can check my other videos out also. So I clearly enjoyed. I started adding positions here. This was a backup plan, and it worked perfectly. You can check the video. That is why I always date stamp everything. So I enjoyed rally till the top and sold at the top. Bought some puts here, bought stocks here, bought puts here, and I played both ways. All right. Now also I am bearish. I'm clearly telling you I'm into bear put spreads, but I don't discuss my options positions here. So let's start the video now. It's gonna be 6 7 minute long, but everything would be logical. Let's start. This is black line is EMA 20, red line is EMA 50. Let's try to understand what happened today in the market. Price bounced out of nowhere. It's fine, but selling the news came here, all right, and selling started from here, and price for the past 2 days is not able to close on top of where the selling came from. Are you able to understand? So sellers are still in charge and they are pushing and making sure that price is always making a lower low. And if you see this was the low and closing of the news day, the Wednesday, March 22nd. As you can see, price made a lower low, and today also price made a lower low, but price is not able to make a higher low. Are you getting it? Or you can say, look at this. This low is lower than this one, this peak. All right. And this low is lower than this one. So lower highs are being formed and lower lows are being formed. If we'll go on smaller time frame, you will see a structure like this coming down. All right. I'm assuming. Look at this. Zigzag. Selling started from here. This. Look at this. This is what I'm trying to tell you. Are you getting it? Looking at daily candle, if you go on smaller time frame, you'll see more of this in-depth price action. So basically, price is definitely forming a new lows every time. All right. So I've explained you that sellers are still in charge. Don't be happy if you bought here. I'm going to explain you what happened today here. So basically, if you go on smaller time frame, so what basic traders do is they buy on higher high, higher low. All right. But you need to understand that price is reacting from a good supply zone. And look here, this is higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And when price tried to come here, it bounced from here because a lot of traders must be observing this. They first of all they were waiting here. Price never came here. All right, because they were pending orders here. So uh, that's how basic traders trade: higher high, higher low. Right now, what must have happened here is that they started. They must have seen all this. So when price came here, they started buying. But the thing is that do you guys know, like, if a basic price action trader is trying to get into a trade on these bases, do you guys understand? They don't know where to exit. Okay, this is too risky. What if it gaps down on Monday? Chances are it can. And I'm telling you, I have puts here. So let's understand that this there was no trade today, and I have puts. I'm not saying I'm not trying to just convince myself by saying that I have puts, so it's gonna go down. It can go up also. All right, if institutions do step in, it can go up. But for now, let's understand that if we go on lower time frame, you need to understand imbalance came. You need to understand where imbalance came from. Buying imbalance came from here. Imbalance means, just consider that, where did big green candle came from? This is the only zone which is already used, and for a demand and supply trader, a zone once used is zero. All right, this has lost its power now. It's not that strong. It can react, but it is not as strong now. So, do you see any rally here, like a clear cut rally? What is these are doji candles, right? So this is called distribution. Buying is being distributed, so you cannot rely on any of these levels. Even though price bounce from here, probably Apple or Microsoft or Amazon or Costco or whatever, right? They must have come into a zone. That's what made SPY bounce. But other than that, logically, no clear cut buying in SPY. On the other hand, look at this selling. This is imbalance, clear cut imbalance. Look at this, right? And look at this. This is clear cut imbalance. So you need to understand it's everything is logical. And if we don't have any imbalance for buying, whenever price is reacting from a higher time frame supply zone, we need to find where it can stop. All right. On top of that, I'm gonna tell you one more thing. I'm gonna turn on my drawings now. So there is a resistance here. I'm still bearish, by the way. There is a resistance here, which is still good. On top of that, basic traders are also observing this inclined basic resistance. All right, and price can easily go down. Trust me, it can react here. It can react here, but these are not good levels at all. So that's why I don't know where to buy right now, and it's very obvious because there is no institution buying which I can see. And I'm gonna try to introduce something new today. So this is ticker symbol XLK. This is the, as you can see, it's a technology IT like sector. So it is also hitting. It is also about to hit a supply zone. All right. This is something new. Just understand it's gonna hit supply zone. It has already hit its supply zone today, day before yesterday, and price has started reacting, and this would be a proper zone 149. All right, it's at 145, 140, so it can react from here also, and it can react from here also. All right, and one more thing is that I am trading this XLK here at this level. I'm telling you 136. I will be trading this level. Anyways, I'm going to go back onto SPY here. So basically, going long is not an option for any of the traders if you guys are trying to go long on any of the stocks, because imagine tech sector is in selling zone. If it breaks it, it's a different thing. We can go long. The price market always gives you opportunity, but at current market price, if you're trying to go long, it's too risky. So it's as simple as that. I'm gonna end the video here by explaining you by like making an analysis that uh, I am bearish. I cannot go long at current market price because I see no levels of buying. I see no institutional activity, and on the other side, I do see institutional activity on the selling side. So I am still short, and I don't care. I have levels here where I know where to get out and where to go. Short, but no long levels for now. At least at current market price, no. All right. So don't go long if your mentality or your analysis matches out with me. So this was it, guys. Trade safely. I hope you had an amazing week, and hope you will have a wonderful week ahead. Till then, take care, have a wonderful day, and please try to analyze. It's Saturday, Sunday now, weekend. Please take 1 hour out for yourself and try to understand what candles are trying to tell you. All right, and I practice a lot. Sorry, I practice a lot. That's why I'm able to analyze all this. And that this is it, guys. Have a wonderful day. Have a good night if you are watching it in the night. And we'll be back on Monday probably with more stuff. Till then, take care. Have a good one. Bye.